Assalamualaikum, hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will create sticky header video with coding. Sometimes there are a few plugins which we can use only if we have pro. Like this feature will work for the desktop only but not for other devices. So we can do this header sticky very perfectly with using a very simple code. It's not a very difficult method, so let me show you how I can create this header sticky. As you can see, if you scroll, all the text very clean, and below this header section sometimes this text overlap, or there's so many different issues with sticky doing header sticky over here, but I'm show you the very simple and easiest way with this code. Here is the code. I will also write in the description section of this video as well. You can exactly copy paste this. Where there is one thing, this is the padding from the top, like I according to my website it's 130 pixel. You can set, for example, if you set more, this section will be, there will be a space. So let me show you how you can do this. There are other methods as well, just with one click, like Elementor and Royal Elementor, and there are more plugin as well, but I try all. If you not have pro feature, even in pro there's few restriction and issues while creating this header section sticky. So I usually use this code to make my header sticky for all types of websites. Let me show you. Simply just click on this section, header section, because I want to make this sticky while scrolling, and it will be sticky. After clicking this section in advanced custom CSS, and there we go, I write the code. Okay, you can see everything is exactly copy and paste, but I just changed this thing 100 pixel. According to this website, this section, if I create more, this section and this section have more space. Like I will show you, if I create, this will be according to your design. For example, I keep it 150. Like you can see, here is the space. That's why I keep it 100 according to my design. Only this will be very according to the design, otherwise everything would be the same, copy and paste, nothing change. Let me show you. I just deleted, you can see, if I delete this, you may see this will not be sticky for more. You can see disappear. Okay, if you choose this sticky header for other devices, it will not work free version for mobile and desktop. That's why I not prefer this. So let me again write this code on custom CSS, paste, simply paste over here and publish here, and it will be sticky again. And here you can see it's sticky. You can see on other devices, here you can see it's sticky. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.